What is lean? Lean is a methodology that seeks to increase value by reducing and eliminating waste. In the early 20th century, Henry Ford, the father of modern manufacturing, developed many of the early tools. Now, post-World War II, Toyota adopted and adapted those tools to both mass-produce vehicles, but remain flexible to changes in customer demand. Lean manufacturing, or lean as we know it today, derives from Toyota. This is why you will see so many Japanese words used in lean. The lean methodology was not adopted widely across the Western world until the late 1980s and early 1990s, when a series of books began to share the methodologies with an English-speaking audience. Of those important early books are The Machine That Changed the World and Lean Thinking. When I started my lean journey, I was confused about where to start. The good news is you've probably already started your lean journey and don't even know it. Many of the tools within lean are quite simple and don't require a bachelor's degree or certificate to master. If you've ever eliminated a defect or reduced wait time, you've used lean, which simply is the elimination and reduction of waste in your processes. Lean works best when there is top-down buy-in, where the management team supports and empowers its employees to make improvements. Regardless if you're in management or a frontline worker, two tools in lean are easiest to start with. 5S, which eliminates waste in your physical and digital environments, and Downtime or Tim Woods, which identifies waste in your processes. While many will try and convince you that lean is only for manufacturing lines, it can actually be applied to any workspace or even at home, as adaptation and application of the tools in a variety of industries has shown. In the early 2000s, Lean Agile utilized many lean tools from the Toyota production system to develop a flexible framework for software development. Another industry that's shown a wide adoption of lean is in healthcare. Hospitals and healthcare facilities have reduced costs and better served patients by applying these tools within their facilities. Now, another common term that you may have heard is Lean Six Sigma. This is the combination of the methodology of lean and of the methodology of Six Sigma. Now, Six Sigma reduces variation in your processes, while lean simplifies your processes.